Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw anything on Google Slides. Now, this is very helpful, especially if you have a pen or a stylus and you want to draw something on your slide and you want to emphasize some element. So to do that, you just actually can access the menu that says line. It's located at the toolbar right here. And next to it, there is an option to open the drop-down menu, and then you can select all sort of lines that you can choose. Now, Scribble is probably the best option, especially if you have a pen, because this allows you to draw anything with your hand. So let's say I want to draw something like a circle around his eyes, like that. And by the way, you can also adjust the color by clicking this menu. Again, everything is available right here on this area. And let's change it to red, and I can also adjust the thickness to make it bolder. And there are so many options here. I can change the type of the lamp, and I can also just treat it as a normal object. So let me click that. I can move it around and I can duplicate it. So yeah, that's basically the simplest way to draw anything on Google Slides. By the way, the same menu is also available on the insert and then shape. You will see there are so many shapes that you can incorporate into your slide, and this is still very useful to make your slide look even better. So yeah, use it and start creating something for your Google Slides presentation. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful.